Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
The preposition. Repeat after me. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in which the person or thing denoted by the noun stands to something. Examples: Bali is with his sister. He stands near the gate. He is in the garden. His bicycle is by the trees. Study these preposition phrases. Each phrase begins with a preposition and ends with the governed noun. In the taxi, on the tram, by the tree, near the gate, with his mother, up the road, at the post. The man on the bicycle wore a red cap. She rode on her bicycle. The carpet under the table is very old. The cat crept under the table. The wise men of Gotham went to the sea. We had a fire in the kitchen yesterday. The girl was singing for joy. Study carefully the use of prepositions in these sentences. You may please stay in the house while I go into the garden. The money is to be divided between Tom and Harry. The money is to be divided among several children. The rat was killed by a servant with a poker. She came and sat beside her husband. 4 boys besides Ashok were seen beside the river. He was born in Kolkata, but he now lives in Delhi. We sat under a tree and watched the swift stream beneath us. While I was standing on the chair, a cat suddenly sprang upon the table. The boy fell off his bicycle in front of the tram.
Insert prepositions. The President of India lives dash Delhi in come in the evening. I will be dash home. At home. The ball fell dash the bell. Into. The principal is dash his office. In. The groceries were brought dash bureau. By. Drag and drop the prepositions from the sentence into the bag. Please listen to what I am saying. 2. Sunita is fond of sweets. Of. Mother is angry with me. With. Children depend on their parents for guidance. On. Divide the sweets among yourself. Among.
The conjunction. You have already learned that a conjunction is a word which joins one word to another or one sentence to another. Listen to me when I read the following sentences. You and I are old friends. He was sad but hopeful. Work hard or you will fail. I trust him because he speaks the truth. He, as well as his brother, is intelligent. He will play when the cat is away. Though he is poor, he is happy. Wait for me till I return. We waited for her until she returned. The table was heavy, therefore I could not lift it. Although he is very rich, he does not help the poor. Unless you tell me the truth, I shall punish you. Note, all the underlined words are conjunctions. They join words or groups of words. Conjunctions can join two or more sentences together. Study these sentences. Raman studies in this school. Harish studies in this school. Raman and Harish study in this school. The boy was there. His father was there. His mother was there. The boy, his father, and his mother were there. That boy is thin. His sister is fat. That boy is thin, but his sister is fat. Peter cannot go to school today. He is ill. Peter cannot go to school today because he is ill. Peter did not work hard. He failed. Peter did not work hard, so he failed. Peter must work hard. He will fail. Peter must work hard or he will fail. He is idle. He is foolish. He is idle as well as foolish. She went to the river. She did not bathe in it. Although she went to the river, she did not bathe in it.
Do the opposites of the words given in italics. He missed his train, dash he was late. Because he went to school, dash he was unwell. Although I called, dash you did not listen. But talk to me, dash you have the time. If the room was locked, dash I could not enter it. Therefore, drag and drop the conjunctions from the sentence into the bag given here. Be quiet or you will be punished. Or he could not go out because it was raining. Because she went to the river but did not bathe in it. But her mother is fat but she is thin. But Raju opened his book and began to read. And Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.